Hello everyone, I'm Darielle Snipes and you're watching CMSD in 60, bringing you some of the top headlines happening across the district for the week of January 19th. All facilities will be closed and there'll be no school on Monday, January 20th, as the district observes Martin Luther King Jr. Day. On Wednesday, district offices will be closed except for essential services from 8 until 1 while staff members attend professional development. Thursday, January 23rd is National Reading Day. Students at Hannah Gibbons School will receive 2 free books thanks to News Channel 5 and Scholastic Book Fairs. On Friday, high school students interested in journalism will spend the day with media professionals to learn more about the business. This Journalism Day is sponsored by the district and the Society of Professional Journalists Cleveland chapter. Sessions include how not to get played by fake news. Cleveland.com writer Layla Atasi will be the keynote speaker at the event, which takes place at the district's East Professional Center. Looking ahead, on Monday, January 27th, WKYC will hold an all-day volunteer recruitment blitz. This is the second year WKYC has hosted Mentor Monday to highlight the need for professionals to sign up to become College Now of Greater Cleveland mentors. They will be paired with recipients of Say Yes to Education and other scholarships. College Now is looking to sign up more than 1,000 people. For more information, head to their website, collegenowgc.org, and click on Become a Mentor. Be sure to follow CMSD on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, as well as visit the CMSD News Bureau website, clevelandmetroschool.org/news, to stay up to date on the latest news happening around the district. Have a great week.
Make a difference in the life of a young person. More students than ever in Cleveland can now attend college thanks to Say Yes scholarships. But we need 1,000 mentors to sign up to help those kids navigate college.
I became a mentor because Cleveland's kids are my kids, and I want my kids to succeed.
I wanted to be able to give back to my community.
So did I. Tune in January 27th for Mentor Monday and learn how you can help College Now match every eligible student with a mentor.